Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, I want to ask about your family. What is your name?
My name is Rafiya Johnson.
Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. How many brothers do you have?
I have three brothers.
Who they are?
My brother name is Rian Reza Rifki.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
Okay. What is her name?
Her name is Clara.
Okay. How old is she?
She is
9.
nine.
9 years old.
9 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rin Miyaki.
How old is he?
She is 50 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is housewife.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Yama.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 55 years old.
What is your father's job?
My father's job is business.
Okay. How many person at your home?
There are about 7 persons.
Yeah. Who they are?
They are me, my sister, my brother, my father, and my mother.
Okay. Thank you very much.